All right, everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got a shave for you today. My package came in from David Gonzalez, so I've got razors for sale, and I got my Koraat 14 2.0 in. We are going to shave with that SOB today. That's what we're going to do. We're going to enjoy the Koraat. We'll bring that out in a second. Just calm down, calm down. We'll see you in a second. So today we're using PAA, low Haiku, CK6 formula. What can I say, guys? High karate. It's a dupe of high karate. You know, musky, powdery. You know, very vintage scent. Very vintage. Has a very old school vibe. Really enjoy it. We got the matching splash. We got the matching EDT. Is that what he calls it? EDP. Look how dark that EDP is. All right. So we've lathered it up in the Captain's Choice. And we are using the Maritime. I will link Maritime's Etsy shop below if you're interested. Some really cool hybrid brushes in my opinion. Not all are my style, but does everybody make a brush that's always your style? No. There's variety. Variety is the spice of life. People have different likes, different wants. So this was a lazy lather, guys. I did bloom it in the bowl. Shook out the brush. Got everything pasty. And then I probably poured a ½ ounce of water in here. And I just went to town. So, like literally probably a ½ ounce, you know, like half of a shot or a little less than half of a bar shot. But we're going off like a day's worth of growth. We did use that carve yesterday. Nice. Woo-wee. Look at that. Look a little thin, but it feels good. It feels actually really nice. Has some weight to it to be so thin. It's probably all the water I put in that motherfucker. All right, guys. Koraat 14 2.0. That's a beaut. Full inch blade, 8/8, however you want to look at it. The double belly grind, extra hollow. Double belly means at some point here, it kind of goes back out big again. Like if you look at the way the lighting hits the toe, it's kind of different. It's because it's a little thicker once you get towards the edge and then comes back out thin again. Ooh, David, that's nice. Like that's smooth. Oh yeah. And we got some glorious blooping. I need the bloopage. I am not as confident in my technique as Frank Stromberg. There you go. So I prefer the bloopage from some extra slickness. And it almost wanted to fall. Come on. There we go. There we go. Very smooth, David. Thank you very much. It's feeling good for now. We'll see how it goes against the grain. But I don't imagine there will be any issues. Personal opinion. Just going off how it feels now. Feels pretty good, David, so thank you. I pulled it out of the box just a little while ago, and we are at freezing temperatures here in Tennessee. And this had condensation. Like after I wiped all the oil off, it started fogging up like a mirror. Or your glasses, like when you've been outside all day long, and then you come in, and it's been cold outside and it's warm inside, and they just fog up. That's how the razor was doing. So we had some cold steel. Sharp cold steel, just kind of Mixing it all up, make sure moisture's throughout the lather. Paint this on real quick. I do like low haiku, man. I can understand why back in the day with High Karate it came with a how to defend yourself pamphlet. Because you had to fight the ladies off, man. Because you smelled so good. I tell you what, if anyone finds a fragrance that they have to beat all the women off with it when they wear it, I'll tell you right now, please let me know what it is. I need to know. Because I feel like that's a secret that does not need to be kept from every man. Moral of the story is no scent's going to get you women. Very nice. It's really a nice shave. Really enjoying it. That stroke was a little heavier handed than I wanted. There we go. All right. Good rinsing, give it another wiping. So, I don't know if any of y'all noticed, I know David polished this up probably with flits before he sent it on to me. Anyone ever notice if you flits and then oil your razor, the oil beads up on the razor like water droplets? I've noticed that with my personal stuff when I send it out. Very nice. No water anywhere on it. Telling you guys, that's a beauty. Pins are perfect too. Like, they're stiff like they should be in all the right places. So we're going to rinse up, guys, and we will be right back. All right, everybody. I hope I didn't mess up my previous video before I came back. I don't know what I did. Hopefully it all comes together okay. All right, got a good rinse. And if I didn't mention, we use very hot water to bloom that soap and very hot water for the brush. Because if the knot falls out, I'll just put it back in. But I did soak it up to just before, and that's okay. It was very warm shave, which I very much wanted after the very cold shave yesterday, guys. So, we've got the cologne and aftershave from PAA, Low Haiku. Ooh. There we go. And honestly, that all hit my hand. None of it went out. Is it a generous amount? Yes, because I made sure it was. Oh, so lovely burn. It's just light. It's not like anything painful. You just get the slightest tingling burn all over. I really enjoy that. Pretty good shave. Thank you, David, for honing up the Koraat. Guys, everything will be linked below if there's links for it. Well, actually, I'm going to be at the house by myself, not going anywhere. We're going to smell sexy for me. Going to have to fight my hand off a little later. I'm going to smell so good. So, all right, guys. Koraat 14 2.0. Beautiful blue scales. I know it wasn't matchy-matchy with everything else. I was going to use the carve, and then I was like, shit. Koraat came in. I've been dying to use it again. All right, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for watching, and everybody enjoy your family.